So for this tutorial I'm using acrylic medium worsted yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. We'll start right away with a slip knot. I'll chain 2, 8 single crochet inside the first chain. Join to close the round. Now we're gonna start the round of cross stitch. I'm gonna chain 2. So this is the first stitch I'll skip. I'll make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So yarn over and work the double crochet. Again in the next stitch 1 double crochet. Now yarn over, come back to the stitch under the chain 2 and work a back double crochet. First cross stitch. Now skip the next stitch and do the same, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And the last one, skip this one and work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So don't worry if your work doesn't look flat. As you go with the rounds, it'll get flat and get clearer. And double crochet. And then join to the first chain 2. So it looks so far like this. Now with a round of single crochet it'll get flat, and every time it'll be the same. So chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. So it'll be 1 round of cross stitch with no increase or decrease, and 1 round of single crochet. In the single crochet round we will start decreasing the 2 single crochet in 1 stitch in every round by 1. So if you're not familiar on how to make a circle and keep it flat, I'll put the link of the video in the description box. So in this round is 2 single crochet in every stitch. And end of the round, slip stitch. So this is how it looks so far. Now again the next row will be a cross stitch round, a normal cross stitch round. Chain 2. So this is our first stitch, which is under the chain 2. I will skip and I will work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And I will yarn over and come back to the first stitch. and repeat the same throughout the round. And here, this is the last cross stitch at the end of the round. So one double crochet here, one double crochet in the stitch, the last stitch next to the chain 2, and come back and work the cross stitch, the back double crochet, and join. And again now the single crochet round. So in this round we will start making 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 in one stitch, 1 in the next stitch, and the next single crochet round after the cross stitch, it will be 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and it will keep increasing. So for that you need to follow the pattern so you don't make any mistake. So I will make total of 6 rounds of cross stitch and single crochet, and then I'll come back to show you how to shape the hat after that. So here I have done total of 12 rounds, which is single crochet rounds and the cross stitch rounds to make it look like this so far, and this still keeping the circle or the round flat. So this is my last row with a single crochet. Now I'll start again with a cross stitch row. So from this point, from the single crochet round, I started shaping my bucket hat, and then going onwards for the next 7 rows. That means 7 rows of single crochet and 7 rows of cross stitch, only of single crochet, no flattening or no shaping. So again, the cross stitch, as we said from the beginning, is always the same, no increase or decrease. And the single crochet round as well will be the same from this point, just a single crochet in every stitch. Again, don't forget to look at the written pattern so you can follow clearly with the rounds. So I'll finish the shape of the hat, and then I'll come back to show you how to make the brim. Here I'm finishing my 8th row of the cross stitch. So I did total of 8 rows between single crochet row and the cross stitch row, and now in this round or row or round I'm gonna start shaping the brim for the bucket hat. So I'll chain 1, I'll make 2 single crochet in one stitch and 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and I'll repeat 2 single crochet in one stitch and 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches until the end of the round, and then I'll come back to show you how I will change color and add another one. So here I'm at the end of the row. I will join, and then I will join the new color to start the cross stitch. So I'll put the yellow over here, the first one over here, and I will insert the yarn, chain 2, and then work the cross stitches as always. So I'll finish. So after this cross stitch row, we'll do a single crochet row and then another cross stitch row 3 times total. So 1, 2, 3, and then the last row will be a single crochet row. I will come back to show you the final result and explain more about the brim. So this is the finished look of the cross stitch bucket hat. I ended up with four total rows of the brim, which is two cross stitch rounds and 2 single crochet rounds to finish everything off, and it was enough. So we'll find all the details of how to make the bucket hat, which yarn and the measurement, all in the written pattern linked in the description box. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to ask and leave your questions in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.